Hey guys, Jeremy here with Infinity. So we're talking about new reference amplifiers. How slick are these? The design is just gorgeous, and the performance, as you expect from Infinity, unparalleled at a price point that is just untouchable. We've got a high performance, high output, 2-channel amplifier. This thing looks great, small footprint, it's gonna fit under the seat of the car, and it's gonna make a ton of power to really power your speakers efficiently. We've got a 5-channel amplifier. So let's take a second and talk about power. This thing makes 45 watts by 4, 500 watts by 1. And there's a reason behind it. There's some method to the madness, if you will, and the mathematical equations on these things. So as humans, we perceive bass should be 3 times as loud. Don't worry about the math, I've done it for you. It means that it needs to have 10 times the power. So 45 by 4, 500 by 1. When you put this in your car, you know the sub is gonna thump just like you want it, and your mids and highs are gonna scream just the way you need them to. And then, if you're just looking for a subwoofer amp, we've got a monster subwoofer amp down here in the reference series. So no matter what you need, we've got you covered with the new Infinity reference amplifiers.